Hello students, welcome to my channel Hans Commerce Tutorial for the lectures on commerce, accounts, finance and management. My suggestion to you, before watching the video, please go to the description below my video. You'll find a link there. Take a printout of the problems given in the link and keep it ready before watching the video so that you can be able to understand the problem, the solution and the explanation to get the maximum benefit from the lectures. Thank you. Hello students, we continue the fourth problem. Previous session we have discussed about the fourth problem. Briefly we'll recap the points, then we'll start the solution of this fourth problem. Srimati Vani and Srimati Lakshmi share profits. Problem number 4, short problems, page number A19. Short problems, fourth problem. Srimati Vani and Srimati Lakshmi share profits and losses equally. But by agreement, Lakshmi pays Vani a salary of 1000 per month out of her share in profits. Two partners, equal partners, and there is an internal agreement between the two partners. Lakshmi agrees to pay salary to Vani out of her share of profits. 1000 rupees per month, so 12,000 rupees per annum. The accounts for 31st December 2002 show the following results. Capital at the beginning of the year, Vani 76,860, Lakshmi 83,550. Opening capital. The net profit before charging interest on capital 47,010. Drawings during the year, Vani, Lakshmi. Paid by Lakshmi to Vani in cash privately on account of salary. When she pays privately, it will not appear in the accounts. Paid after charging 5% interest on capital, write up the capital account of each partner at the end of the year. So first of all, we are preparing this P&L appropriation account. So by P&L account, balance is given in the problem 47,010. Interest on capital. Capital at the beginning of the year is this much, 5% interest. So the total on the credit side 47,010 minus these two amounts. You will get net profit 38,988. This is the balancing figure. The balancing figure is 38,988. This is called net profit or divisible profit. This profit will be divided between the partners equally. Half. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So each partner will get 19,494. Or this is the P&L appropriation account. Now we'll come to the partners capital account. The partners capital account credit side by balance brought down. This is the opening balance of capital. Then the items which we have taken on debit side will appear on credit side. So debit side we have interest on capital and share of profit. So here I am taking interest on capital, share of profit, right? Then drawings we have taken on debit side. Now there is an internal agreement that Lakshmi will pay to Vani. Lakshmi will pay to Vani. So Vani's account should be credited. The partner who gets the salary should be credited and the partner who pays the salary should be debited. तो जिसको मिल रहा उसको क्रेडिट करना और जो दे रहा उसको डेबिट करना. यहां पर वानी को मिल रहा है तो वानी's account should be credited. This is वानी's account and this account is credited 12,000 और देने वाले कौन है? लक्ष्मी है तो ये लक्ष्मी को यहां डेबिट कर दिया. तो 12,000 on debit side of Lakshmi, 12,000 on credit side of Vani. By Lakshmi's capital salary to Vani's capital salary. नेम ऑपोजिट लेंगे. लक्ष्मी को डेबिट कर रहे हैं तो यह वानी's कैपिटल और वानी को क्रेडिट कर रहे हैं तो लक्ष्मी's कैपिटल. दिस इज सिंपली पोस्टिंग. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द बैलेंस, क्लोजिंग बैलेंस. द टोटल ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ वानी इज 1,12,197. द टोटल ऑफ द क्रेडिट साइड. Out of this 1,12,197, subtract 15,000. Minus 15,000. Balancing figure is 97,197. This is the closing balance. Similar case for Lakshmi. Total of credit side 1,07,253. Out of this, subtract these two amounts. 21,000, 12,000 minus kar do, you will get 74,253. This is the closing balance. This is the solution of problem number 4. Take a pause at this screen and copy down. Take a pause of this screen and then copy down the complete solution. Now we'll come to the fifth problem. Problem number 5. See the problem number 5. In each of the following cases, indicate which you consider to be correct. So in this problem we don't have any calculations. Simply we have to decide which point is correct. It's a multiple choice question. First A bit. In the absence of an agreement, profits and losses are shared by partners in the ratio of. If the agreement is silent, then profits and losses will be shared by the partners in the ratio of. Options are 1. Capital, 2. Equally, 3. Drawings, 4. 3:1. ये चार ऑप्शन में से एक ऑप्शन करेक्ट है, which is you have to decide. In the absence of agreement, the profits of the partners will be shared in the ratio of. क्या वो कैपिटल के रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लेते प्रॉफिट, या इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते, या ड्रॉइंग्स के रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे, या 3:1 के. According to Indian Partnership Act, if the partnership deed is silent, if there is no agreement regarding profit sharing ratio, then partners should share the profits equally. So second answer number 2, equally is the right answer. Next, B point. In the absence of an agreement, interest on loan advanced by a partner to the firm is allowed at the rate of 6%, 4% or 10%. Three answers are given. In the absence of agreement, if loan is given by a partner to the firm, then interest on loan will be paid at the rate of 6% or 2%, 6% or 4% or 10%. Again, in theory we have discussed, if the partnership deed is silent, then according to Indian Partnership Act, if a partner has given any loan to the firm, then interest should be paid at the rate of 6% per annum. 6% per annum. So answer 1 is correct. C. In the absence of an agreement, partners shall, first option, be paid salaries. B. Second answer, not to be paid salaries. Third, to be paid an amount of 10,000 per annum. Fourth, to be paid 15,000 per annum. Again I repeat. In the absence of an agreement, the partners shall be paid salaries or not paid salaries, or paid 10,000 or paid 15,000. According to Indian Partnership Act, if the partnership deed is silent, no salary should be paid to any partner. Partner should not be paid any salary. Right? So answer B, second answer. Second answer is correct, not to be paid any salary to the partner. This is the only explanation problem. No calculations required. Now we'll come to the sixth problem. A, B and C are in partnership with respective fixed capital, 40,000, 30,000, 20,000. Three partners, opening capital given. B and C are entitled to annual salaries of 2,000 and 1,500 respectively. So salary should be paid to B and C, 2,000, 1,500, before division of profits. Interest on capital is allowed at 5% per annum, but interest on drawing is not to be charged. Of the first 12,000 divisible as profit in any year, A is entitled to 50%, B 30% and C 20%. Annual profit in excess of 12,000 are divisible equally. Here the condition is given how the profit should be distributed between the partners. It is saying up to 12,000. Up to 12,000 of profit, 50% of 12,000, 6,000 will be paid to A. 30% of 12,000, 3,600 should be paid to B. 20% of 12,000, 2,400 should be paid to C. तो 12,000 रुपए, पहले 12,000 रुपए को 50, 30, 20 के रेशियो में डिवाइड कर दी. अब रिमेनिंग जो बैलेंस बचेगा वो इक्वली शुड बी डिवाइडेड बिटवीन द थ्री पार्टनर्स. The profit for the year ended 31st December 2014 was 20,100. This is the profit before making adjustment. After debiting partner's salary but before charging interest on capital. That means this 20,500 we got after debiting partner's salary. Now we should not debit partner's salary. We should not take partner's salary in P&L appropriation account, because it is saying the amount of 20,100 we got after debiting partner's salary but before charging interest on capital. So interest on capital will charge. The partners' drawings for the year are 8,000, 7,500, 4,000. The balance as per partners' current account on 1st January 2014, where A 3,000, B 500, C 1,000 डेबिट. तो ये प्रॉब्लम में करंट अकाउंट दिया, तो इसका मतलब पार्टनर्स आर फॉलोइंग फिक्स्ड कैपिटल मेथड. Under fixed capital method, every partner will have two accounts, capital account, current account. All adjustments will be done in current account. The capital account will remain fixed. तो current account में opening balance है A का 3,000, B का 500 क्रेडिट. A और B का क्रेडिट बैलेंस है और C का जो है 1,000 डेबिट बैलेंस है. तो करंट अकाउंट जब बनाएंगे तो C के अकाउंट में डेबिट साइड लेंगे और A और B के अकाउंट में क्रेडिट साइड. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account and the partner's current account for the year 2014. So we are required to make P&L appropriation account and partner's current account. So first we make P&L profit and loss appropriation account. This is problem number 6. Profit and loss appropriation account. By P&L account, the profit for the year. The profit for the year is given in the problem as 20,100. To interest on capital. Interest on capital. The capitals are 40, 30, 20. See the problem 40, 30, 20. And the rate of interest to be charged is given in the problem 5%. It comes to 2,000, 1,500 and 1,000. 5% of 40,000, 2,000. 5% of 30,000, 1,500. 5% of 20,000, 1,000. Now net profit. This is the divisible profit, balancing figure. Transferred to. Total of the credit side 20,100. From this 20,100, subtract 2,000, 1,500 and 1,000. These three items you subtract it. The balance 15,600. The balance you will get 15,600. Now 15,600 should be divided between A, B and C. In working note we will find out. Working note. Up to first 12,000 of profit. Up to first 12,000 of profit. Comma 50%, 30% and 20%. First 12,000. It is given in that problem. Of the first 12,000 divisible as profit in any year, A is entitled to 50%, B 30%, C 20%. So 50% of 12,000 you'll get 6,000. 30% of 12,000 you'll get 3,600. And 20% of 12,000 you'll get 2,400. That's all. 12,000 रुपए distribute हो गए. Now balance. Balance. Actually, total profit is 15,600. 15,600 में से already we have distributed. How much we have distributed? 12,000. 15,600 minus 12,000. You will get rupees 3,600. shared equally. It is given in the problem. Excess of 12,000 will be shared equally. So 3,600 divided by 3. It will be 1,200 each. 7,200. Here it is 4,800. Here it is 3,600. That's it. We have distributed the profit between A, B and C. So how much A will get? 7,200. B will get 4,800. And C will get 3,600. That's it. If you add up these three amounts, definitely you will get 15,600. The total of these three, you will get 15,600. Take a pause of this video and copy down the working note, because I am rubbing the working note. Take a pause and this copy down working note. Now we are required to prepare the current account. Now see here, I am taking balance brought down on debit side as well as credit side. Because two partners are showing credit balance in their current account. It is given in the problem. See carefully. The balances on partner's current account on 1st January 2014 were A 3,000, B 500 credit. So A 3,000, B 500 credit. Whereas C is having 1,000 rupees debit balance. C is having 1,000 rupees debit balance. तो C के account में debit side और A और B के account में credit side, because it is given in the problem. The current account may show debit balance or it may show credit balance. Whereas capital account always will show credit balance. Now we'll post the items. The debit side items will be taken on the credit side of current account by interest on capital. Interest on capital are 2,000, 1,500 and 1,000. Then by P&L appropriation account. It is profit. How much? 7,200 and 4,800. Last one is 3,600. And one more thing, salary is to be paid, no? See the problem, it is given. B and C are entitled to salaries of 2,000 and 1,500 respectively. So salaries should be taken here by salaries account. Here we have not taken salary because it is given in the problem that this 20,100 we got after salary but before interest on capital. That sentence is given in the problem. ये 20,100 जो आया सैलरी के बाद आया बोल रहा हूं मैं, तो इसका मतलब सैलरी ऑलरेडी पीएनएल अकाउंट में चार्ज कर दिए, अब नहीं करना. लेकिन दैट शुड बी टेकन ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ करंट अकाउंट, सैलरी अकाउंट. बी एंड सी आर एंटाइटल्ड टू एन एनुअल सैलरी ऑफ 2,000 and 1,500. That's it. So we have taken all the items. Drawings. Debit side to drawings. How much are the drawings given in the problem? 8,000, 7,500, 4,000. balance carried down, balancing figure. Now we have to take the total on the credit side. The credit side total is 12,200. 12,200 is the total on the credit side. From this 12,200 subtract 8,000, you will get 4,200. 4,200 is the closing balance of A, current account balance of A. Similarly B, the total of B is 8,800. Here also 8,800. Minus 7,500, you will get 1,300. Similarly C, 6,100. From 6,100 subtract 5,000, so 1,100. That's it, finished. This is the current account of partner A, B and C. Take a pause of the screen and copy it down. Now we'll see problem number 7. See the problem number 7. Shiva and Rama are sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. Two partners, Shiva, Rama, 5:3 ratio. Vishnu is admitted with 3/8 share, of which he obtained 2/8 from Shiva and 1/8 from Rama. So new partner is admitted Vishnu and he is given 3/8 share. 3/8 share is given to the new partner Vishnu. For this 3/8, he is taking 2/8 from Shiva and 1/8 from Rama. तो नए पार्टनर का शेयर 3/8 है, जिसको 2/8 उन्हें शिवा के पास से ले लेगा. इसका मतलब शिवा का रेशो कम हो जाएगा. और उसी तरह रामा के पास से 1/8 ले रहा, तो 2/8 और 1/8 मिला लिया तो 3/8 विष्णु का हो गया. Find the new profit sharing ratio of Shiva, Rama and Vishnu and sacrificing ratio. So you are required to calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. So this is the problem of 7th. Problem number 7. Old ratio of Shiva and Vishnu is equal to 5:3. Then new partner Vishnu's share. New partner Vishnu's share is 3/8, of which he takes 2/8 from Shiva and 1/8 from Rama. Old ratio of Shiva and Rama. Which he takes 2/8 from Shiva and 1/8 from Rama. So new ratio. We have to find out what is the new ratio of all the three partners. जैसे विष्णु आ गया 3/8 ले लेंगे उन्हें, तो फिर इसका शेयर कम हो जाएगा. किसका? शिवा का और रामा का. तो शिवा's new share is equal to, what was the old share Shiva was getting? 5/8. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 5/8, 3/8 is the old ratio of Shiva and Rama. So 5/8 में से how much share is giving to Vishnu? 2/8. 5/8 में से 2/8 minus कर दिया. LCM is 8. 5 minus 2. 3/8. उसी तरह Rama's share. Old ratio was 3/8. Minus how much he is giving, Rama is giving to Vishnu? 1/8. So minus 1/8. LCM is 8. So 3 minus 1 is 2/8. New ratio of all partners, that is Shiva, Rama and Vishnu, is equal to, the new ratio is 3/8 is to 2/8 is to, how much Vishnu is getting? 3/8. So ratio with all denominator are 8. So ratio will be 3:2:3. 3:2:3. This is a new ratio of all the partners. Secondly, it is asking you to calculate sacrificing ratio. Is equal to old ratio sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So first sacrificing is made by Shiva. Shiva is equal to, what is the old ratio of Shiva? 5/8. Minus, what is the new ratio of Shiva? 3/8. LCM 8 अगर ले लेंगे तो 5 minus 3, 2/8. उसी तरह रामा, the old ratio is 3/8 minus new ratio is 2/8. हाँ, 3/8 minus 2/8. LCM 8, तो 3 minus 2, 1/8. तो 2/8, 1/8. तो दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है 8/8. So we can say sacrificing ratio is equal to 2:1. Sacrificing ratio is 2:1. That's it. Now we'll come to the next problem. 8th one. See the problem number 8. Ram and Sham are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Old ratio 3:2. Gopal was admitted for 1/5 share in the profits. New partner Gopal, 1/5 share. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. If you compare this problem with previous problem, in this problem, Gopal getting 1/5 share, but how much he is taking away from Rama and Sham is not given. Previous problem it was given that the new partner Vishnu was taking 2/8 from Shiva, 1/8 from Rama. नया पार्टनर कितना कितना ले रहा पुराने पार्टनर से दे दिया था, लेकिन ये प्रॉब्लम है नहीं दिया. It is not given how much he is taking from the old partners. Then what we should do is, first we have to calculate remaining share. वो remaining share जो बचेगा, total profit में से 1/5 profit we are giving to Gopal. तो 1 में से 1/5 निकाल दिया तो 4/5. रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट इज 4/5. वो 4/5 को ओल्ड रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लेंगे बाय ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. तो हु आर द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स? ओल्ड रेशियो ऑफ राम एंड श्याम. थ्री इज टू 2. New partner Gopal's share.